Malaglag ka dyan, nak. Malaglag. Hello, Henrika. Uh-oh. Good evening. Good evening din. Oo. Ang aking labahan, di lahat na tuyo. Kaya bukas na ako magplancha. Damit ng asawa ko. Mostly pa naman short niya. 7 piraso. Hindi. Makulimlim lang. Baka electric pa naririnig mo. Yun. Katabi ko. Hindi. Mainit buong araw kanina. Mainit dito pero mahangin. Grabe. Araw-araw dito mahangin. Malapit kami dagat kasi. Tapos ang harap ng bahay lagi madumi. Kahit kakalinis ko lang, marumi na naman dahil galing dyan sa hotel. Ang dumi. Sleepyhead ang nagit ni Mansi. Tulog ka ng tulog. Nagit. You always sleepy. Ha? Olongapo. Dito kami sa Olongapo. Oo, malapit kami dagat. Tatawid ka, paglabas mo ng highway, tawid ka, dagat na. Lakad ka lang, unti sa highway, tapos dagat na. Kaya kunting ulan lang, grabing hangin dito. Tapos malalaki yung patak ng ulan. Kaya, pag amihan, grabe. Masarap sa madaling araw, matulog, malamig. Nanalo ka doon sa palaro? Baka may live si Mamay bukas. Kung hindi bukas, Friday na. Bakit kaya hirap mag-send ng star ngayon? Ang gulo. Minsan makapag-send ka, minsan hindi na. Kakaloka. Abnoy. Kasi masarap talaga matulog. Ako nga kahit electric fan gusto ko patayin kaso asawa ko hindi eh. Ay, hindi ka nananalo doon? Bakit? Marami ba sumali? Nantay ko na lang. Baka next week kami dalawa ni si Stila yung mag-live. Siya mag-live, ako magpalaro. May 3 sponsor na eh. Hoy, nasaan ka na? Ganda ng usap ko, linilayasan ako. Marami. Kaya bukya ka pala. Hi, si Stelay. Oo, mag-live si si Stelay. Ako magpalaro. By next week. Anuhin ko muna dalawa pa. Pa mag-sponsor sila. Para masaya. Doon naman ako sa page uli. Para ma-unlock ko doon ang stream ad. Anong chika? Wala, nagtutupi ako. Bigla sa pumasok. Oh. Ayan ang tinupi ko. Hindi lahat natuyo. Naloka ako. Yun o, dami o. Hi, Mylene. Yan o, dami o, nakasabit. Yan, basa yan. Kaya kailangan ko sana matuyo na bukas para magplancha ako. Plancha kaya yan, suot. Sa akin yung pambahay lang. Sabi ko yung orasan namin, palitan niya battery. Ayaw niya, nag-order pala sa ng clock sa Lazada, hindi ko alam. Baka signal ko. Kasi lately, yung signal ko si Raulo eh. Okay lang ba signal ko? Okay lang yan. Sumali ka na lang next week. Ay, hindi. Huwebes ba bukas? Sumali ka sa Friday. Kung di si Mami magpalaro bukas, Friday. Kasi alam ko si Stella sponsor pa rin kay Mami. Si Stella, maghanap ka rin ng sponsor. Ako, naghanap na ako eh. Sigurado si Rebecca mag-sponsor. Pilitin ko rin si Sis Marilyn. Para kasabay nila Algie, Sis Rebecca, Sis Marilyn, ikaw, ako, o diba bongga? Para marami tayo mabigay pa premium. Oh. Oo naman, oy, okay lang sa akin. Ano ka ba? Hindi pa, tinanong ko si Mami eh. Hindi pa sa sure. Kung bukas or Friday, baka Friday, Saturday na siguro. Kasi yung panalo ko, 'di ba? Kay Mama Marites. Paupuso. Ba yun? Paupuso Reyes. Sabi ko, sponsor ko na lang sa kanya yung gamit sa page. Okay signal ko. Akala ko yung Okay naman signal mo. Alam mo, pag magdilig ako ng halaman, yung alimuong ng lupa, na ano ko, kaya sumasama tiyang ko. Taya ko ng tae, kainis. Sakit sa tiyan na kaya, ay sa puwet. Tingnan nyo si Nugget. Ayan si Nugget. Tulog na tulog. Malay mo, sumali ka ah. Ako nga, sumasali kay Mama Ritis. Di ko nga kalaing. Manalo yung account ko dalawa eh. Kahapon yata yun. Isang araw pala. Si Stilay, di ba nag-uusap tayo kanina sa GC? Kumakain ako, si Nugget, takbo ng takbo. Ayan, ang iya tubigan, wala na tubig. Hinihila niya yung rag. Agoy kayo, ayun. Ang sahig basa. Oh, alam na naman pinagtsismisan ka, nagising ka ah. Ang asawa ko nasa work. Maya uwi, 10 o'clock. Anong oras na ba? Maya uwi na yun. I-ready ko yung mga basura. Basura bukas eh. Tapos maghugas pinggan. Kainis talaga pag hindi matuyog sinampay, no? Parang dahil ko dito may Christmas tree. Nugget. Wala dito anak ko nandoon. Kinananay ko.
So you two, Lydia and Oxford, tell the other people knew about the skate.
They never knew. Tommy may had him blindfolded real good the 2 times I come up here.
Why'd you bring them up twice? Well, once for the dirt samples, and when those came back good, she came up here with the gravimeter. It's not super fancy metal detector.
Meron na, oy! February 17 si Ma'am May. Di ba? Di mo narinig?
The gravimeter readings.
Di mo narinig kapo, no?
Exactly how she said it. Like a finger.
Lo! Di ka nakikinig.
Tons of metal and density.
Tanong mo si Henrika. Di ba, Henrika? February 17.
That's right. At the exact
Isa lang.
it's an arcade.
Malaki na sa 23 years old. Dito nakikinig si Stella kahapon. Hindi ka nakinig daw. Ay, siguro nag-ano si Mami, wala ka dyan sa laptop mo. No. Oo. Review mo yung live ni Mami nakaraan. Kinig ko yun, no? Oh, yun, February 17, baka next week sa siguro mag-post. Kasi sabi niya marami daw ang sponsor eh. Baka next week daw siya mag-post. Tapos latang para daw hindi lahat ang tao sa paggawa ng mechanics. Kaya sabi ko maganda yan. Hindi naman ang tao kung pinapanood yung reels or video, dapat yun ang ginagawa, tinatapos. Kasi dyan talaga ang tao pag hindi tinatapos. Kaya lagi ako nanonood, kaya hindi na ako na-RA. Nag-iingat ako sa ma-R. Sabi ko, ay nako, ayoko ma-R. Tinatapos ko yung yung reels, hindi nga reels, video. Ang iba kasi, lang, diretso. Oo. Pag manood ka ng video o reels, tapusin mo. Huwag mong i-exit, huwag mo yung yung nanood ka lang, tapos share mo agad. Wag yun, kasi ma-R ka. Tapusin mo, para hindi ka ma-R. Yun yun ang rason ni doon ni Meta. Kaya doon ang tao na R dahil doon. Kaya tingnan mo si Jamaica. Pinaglalaban niya nga, ano daw siya kahapon ba yun? Oo, nanalo siya. Eh, kulang naman sa kay Ma'am Elsie. Pala naka-private. Oh. Tapos hinahabol niya kay si Stelay. Kaloka. Ganun ba yun? Hindi na lang tanggapin nga talo. Na void. Malalaman mo talagang tao na guilty. Ipipilit. Ako nga, kay Helena nga, na-void nga ako eh. Oh, na isang kulang share. Di man ako nagreklamo. Natatawa pa nga ako sarili ko nun. Kaya sabi ko ba, first time ko na-void. Tapos pag sabihin mo pang tao, sila pa magagalit. Kaloka. Kaya nag-comment talaga ako kanina doon man. Hindi naman sa nag-react. Huwag ganun. Tanggapin ang pagkatalo. Or na void. Kasi maraming sumasali at maraming nakabasa. Nakasali lang, wagas na. Okay na. Ako nga, nagdo-double check palagi. Lalo na kahapon kay Ma'am Marites. Dami pala sponsor. Buti, do-double check ko. Di bali ako marami ako share. Basta na-share ko lahat. Gano'n ang technique. Hindi yung magalit. Diba si Stelay? Si Lani? 16 kinano. Bilis nga eh. Kagabi, ano lang yan? 15,732. Nagulat talaga ako ngayon. Nang dami na. Dahil kaka-promote. Maganda talaga mag-promote. Maraming Yung si Obet, followers ko yan si Stella eh. Kaya nag-promote ako kanina. Inano ka na follow. Tapos si Mame, si Ate Tracy kasi nandito kanina eh. Kuya ayun, ngayon lang nakita ni Ate Tracy yung mga followers niya nasa 1,432 yata. Ngayon lang sa kanina lang sa back. Nagulat, sabi ko, hoy, accept mo mga yan. Tapos sabi niya, halati, ngayon ko lang nakita, wala kasi ako data. Kuya ayun, pinag-accept niya lahat. Nag-follow back. Ako pa lang, 7,076. Tapos bukas may mag-unfollow yan. Mga loko-loko. Bagay, hindi naman ako mawalan. Dashboard naman nila mapula. Haha! Si IC, ano sabi? Maya ka na. Speaking Ate Tracy, nag-message. Si IC, ano daw yun si IC? Ewan ko. Para ma-unlock mo yung ads on reel or ads stream. Yun. Pag maabot ko yung 10K dito, ma-unlock ko na yun. Gusto ko yung yung doon sa page ko kasi lahat marami doon ma-unlock. Eh, dito kasi ads on reel, subscriber lang, stream, star icon. Kaya sabi ko, oo. Kaya pag ikaw magkapera, mag-sponsor ka, kahit 100, pwede na yun. Para madagdagan ka ng maraming followers. Tingnan mo si Stilay. Lagi nag-sponsor kayo yung Ma'am May. O, diba? Malapit ka na-unlock yan na kaagad yung 10K niya. Ngayon, nasa 16 na. O. Hindi natin nakalain, mga baka in this, nasa ano na yan pala. Nasa, ano yan? Sa 20K. Basura to, basura. Tingnan mo, basurahan. Napuno lang yan sa pizza si Stella. Tingnan mo. Box lang ng pizza nakapuno. At saka ano, mag-engage ka palagi para lagi mag-green yung ano mo, dashboard.
No, that's not. Are you sure about that?
Yeah, no. That's his signature, right?
Yes, it is. But
Sa akin, ganun din. Ang dami pinagdaanan ko. Pero hindi man ako nag-give up. Using ko muna basura. Oo. Pag may matira ka, sponsor ka 100 peso. Kasi sa'yo din yan sa dashboard mo or sa ano. Ay, konti lang pala ito basura. Hindi na kita puli. Bakit ko na lang dyan. Ayun pala. Si Stella, di ba sinabi ko siya tungkol sa tubig namin? 7,485. Nanditong may-ari, kausap niya ako kanina. Nagbayad kami ng bahay advance. Tapos sabi niya, yung pangbayad mo sa bahay, pangbayad lang namin sa tubig. Yung 7,000. Tapos yung 485, ikaw na. Sabi ko, sige te, okay lang. Tuwan-tuwa naman ni Ugag. Asawa ko. Kaya, sinabihan niya ako na, sabi ko, nung lumap, sabi ko, hindi ko naman problema yan, bak na ganyan, may leaking. Hi, Mami Ann. Hi, Mami Rian. Good evening. Kumusta po? Chika-chika, walang magawa. Habang nag-aano ng basura. Hirap magiging housewife, kaloka. Basura ha, basura bukas. Sige, inom lang.
hey, Sadie.
Oo, yun naman talagang bagay eh. Para mag-green, stay green. Maganda yung kay Ma'am May. Ano yun? Madami. Sa big live niya. Excited ang iba. Kaya, maganda yun, marami. Diba? Ang dami kong basurang plastic. Maganda pala, si Stella yung Yung polygel, oh, tagal mawala. Nandyan si Ma'am Mirian. Nawala na sa ano, pero nandyan sa baba. Ano siya si Stilay, tagal matanggal. Ang gel. Nakakaano, tibay ng kuko. Ay, muli. Diba? Napuno lang sa pizza box. Kahapon hindi yan puno. Pahamak. Kaya kakainin ko yung natira doon 3. Para ang box matapon na. Dessert na lang ang pizza. Mag-live ka Friday. Ano oras naman, Ma'am Mirian? Nakakailang na kasi sumali. Kaya minsan, bihira na lang ako sumasali dahil naiilang ako.
You think you're so smart, but you're not.
Nakakailang. Oy, si Stilay, marami nag-unfollow sa personal account ko. Pero doon sa page ko, wala. Kahit maliit pa lang yun, nasa 1,234. Wala. Ano? Hi, Sis Rebecca! Nasa live mo ako kanina, saan ka pumunta? Wala ka doon. Gumala ka, no? Laki ng tiyang ko. Dami ko nakain ng gulay. Hindi na mawawala talaga. Oo nga eh. Grabe talaga mga tao. Dami mag-unfollow. Diyan, dito sa personal ko na sa 65. Kaya sabi ko hindi naman ako mawalan. Oo, dumalaw ako sa mo. Wala ka naman. Kasi sabi ko, saan kaya tong lokarit na to? Hindi mo nabasa message ko sa live mo? Wala ka kaya, inanap kita. Sabi ko, saan ka pumunta? May asawa ko nandito na. Nugget, ano ba yung pag-ulayan mo? Yung halimaw, nagdalaw. Big live na si Stella eh. Siya mag-live, ako magpalaro.
So what's up? You said about running a camera planted on the trailer? You're smart cookies. It was. What'd you do?
Ay, wala na pala plastic.
100 million bucks. Yes. But is there such a thing as too much money? So much that takes the fun out of everything?
You know, money's freedom. Especially
Ano?
people who've never had it before, so.
Hmm.
Is this how you spent your day? Thinking about being filthy rich?
Part of it. Part of it. Dealing with what it can do to people.
Sige. Oo nga si Stella eh. Bakit di ka nagpo sa 16K mo?
Ways to spend time.
Tago mo pang 16K mo.
Doorman.
Maganda pala talaga yung promotion, no?
Okay.
Kasi lalo na ibang tao, hindi ka pakilala.
Package.
Magpa-follow.
Oh, no worries. You know, I'm gonna get out of these clothes.
Oh, I like that idea.
Oy, si Stella, ibang followers mo na sa akin na rin. Kaka-follow lang kanina. Yung umpisa ako nag-promote. Kaya baka malapit na rin ako mag-unlock sa 10K. O, diba? Linis ng lababo.
It's okay. April Brooks, this is Fiona Paley. Fiona was the co-chair of the gala the other night. She was kind enough to hand deliver my auction.
Hi, and congratulations. That was a lovely event. Thank you. And I wish I would have met you the other night. Anyway, I should have called first. It was lovely to meet you, April. And congratulations. I have to run. So what'd you get?
Oh no.
Ang aking alaga, makatulog, wagas.
The Sun Valley Lodge.
Pinagalitan ko, tinulogan lang ako.
That bid was at $11 grand when we left. Why did you go?
It's our worthy cause.
Is it a cause or Mrs. Fiona?
Diba, Nag?
She's just an old friend.
You just sleep like your dad when mommy pissed off.
No commitments, no craziness. Let's just do us.
No, you have your past, I have mine, and with the things you'll need.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're not mad, are you? Oh, come on, don't be mad.
I'm not mad.
Then where are you going?
Oo, kanina. Di ba nag-promote ako? Tapos nagulat na lang ako, may nag-unfollow. Doon sa page ko marami. Kaya nabuo ko yung 1,233. Bali na dagdag doon, nasa 13. Yun. Ano bang gamot iniinom mo? Henrika, anong gamot iniinom mo? Baka masobrang ka ng gamot. Ingat-ingat ka. Gusto mo saging? Henrika, oh. Binili ko kanina sa palengke. Lutuin ko bukas. Almusal. Nice. Daddy home soon.
You want to see more badass action? We're on. They are the villains everyone loves to hate. Stop killing. What we know. I am done talking. What have you done? You just can't. So here's the best of The Rookie, Villains Galore, tonight at 9:45 on AXN. Guess who's back?
Halika dito. Lutuin natin bukas. Halika dito. Partner sa kape.
Only on AXN.
Ano ba yung asawa ko? Uy, akala ka talaga dito. Kahit anong arrange ko. Naku!
Sunday at 9:45 on AXN Sunday Movie Rush. AXN Movie Rush is brought to you by Premier Condos. Wild safely.
Bakit ang dito yun? Ting, 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 ting.
Every great police dog needs a
Sing,
team
na, na,
bond.
na.
Here to his every whim. Woof. And canine. And in return, he's got their back. Somewhere out there, Rex, on the other job. Meet Rex and his team of humans. Hunted and Ratchet. Fridays at 9:45 on AXN Throwback Friday. This January on AXN, don't mess with these crime busters who will fight the bad guys on their own terms. Denzel Washington is here to fight injustice and right the wrongs. And you don't want to get on his bad side. The Equalizer 3. It's villains galore in LA, but you can count on these good guys to save the day. We're Rookie, Villains Galore. You may be an underdog,
Saan ka galing si Stelay?
no crime is too small.
Labas, in, out ka? Saan si Daniela?
A mayhem continues in Vegas. And El Show Sin City are rolling good time. All Mark Ball Cop 2. It's all new. This January on AXN. Guess who's back? Your favorite crime fighter.
Oo, anong oras na ba? Ay, oo. Pauwi na yun.
Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping surge of justice and action coming soon.
Kung hindi yun napadpad sa bar. Ah, wala naman message. Anong post mo? Sira ulo ka talaga. Jowa-jowa ka dyan. Kaya nagsilos asawa nun eh. Buang ka rin eh. Sira ulo ka talaga si Stilay. Kaya pinagsulusan ka ng mukong dahil pasaway ka rin. Jowa talaga. Kaya nasa lang katuloy ng kaya naasar katuloy ng asawa ko bading kay. Ay, nako. Asaway ka din. Kakainis yung upuan ng asawa ko, yung computer chair niya. Lagi may black mark yung sahig. Kaluko. Kaya tuwing walis ko, tinatanggal ko. Pangit tingnan. Okay lang sana ang tiles ko ang black. Okay lang. White pa naman. Hirap. Kahit magmat ako, ganun din. Ay, lako. Ay, puti. Di ka gumala si Stilay. Lagi. Dari gana konsul. Lalaking bading. Si Casey yan nagsabi di ako pasaway. Kaya nga nasalang ka bading eh. Pinagsilusan ka. Silos na walang kwenta. Kaloko.
Rookie Feds, new series, Thursdays at 9:45 on AXN. For season 3,
Ang ginawa ng asawa ko si Stilay. Ah, birthday bukas ni mama mo. Anong gagawin nyo? Anda kayo? Hindi maging busy ka niyan.
these officers as they take down the worst crooks and criminals. In the Rookie, villains galore. Every Wednesday at 9:45 on AXN. And show us how much you love the show to win big prizes. Simply go to AXN Asia's Facebook page and answer this simple question. 10 lucky winners will walk away with exclusive AXN goodie bags. Contest ends February 7th, so join now. 人生の終焉がスタートした。来世の人間に生まれ変わるために身を積まなければならない。あの人たちって本当にいるの？自分のコーヒーにかけて。一瞬目のこの時間、付き合っていた同級生がいて、彼のこれで職を失った。ミュージシャンになるのをやめた方がいい。Rebooting.
Trying to lock you up, but I'm here. It's Evans, Charlie Kester from Street Security. I never knew that. You won't investigate. Miss Stevens, we have a warrant for your arrest. My sister's murder. I just want to see if they've really done everything they can to find the guy. There's no card, but it's clearly from the Elijah Stone. I read my sister's case file. My mom lied to me.
Ano gagawin nyo sa birthday ni mama mo bukas? Inuman? Init, tamad pa ako maligo. Maya-maya na ako maligo. Dali nga, patayin ko ilaw. Init. Ay! Init! Ligo ako pag dati asawa ko.
I am sure there are a dozen innocent explanations for eventual immunology.
If it wasn't evil, if it was just some random witness lying to you, what would you think?
I would think, what else is she lying about?
You think I'd get tired of winning? No, I almost feel bad beating you guys in court again.
No, no.
You're right. I don't.
Ay, talaga? Magka-birthday sila?
My defense. Gotta be right.
February 1?
Changes in the judge's handwriting make it impossible to know for sure that those were actually his words.
Somehow you knew he had early onset dementia, a condition that clearly affected his handwriting.
Sinagit ni Ma'am C.
The loss of his mental faculties certainly didn't know birthdays, which is why you didn't argue it in court.
It really isn't bothering him he's dead because of you.
There is no evidence that Judge Reed was dead of anything other than a heart attack. And if I hear that you or your office is saying anything different, I will sue you and the city for defamation and win. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a client's deposition to get to.
Ay, charing, bongga. Anong regalo mo sa birthday ko? Ilang buwan na lang, birthday ko na.
7 dead inside and a 10-year-old neighbor got straight lead. The child's out of surgery but still touch and go. We started a collection of break monthly active material. So we get a clear down. Let's start making the cost of doing business intelligent. Get up your cigars. Word is Elijah is orchestrating a large buy. We can rely on that. Be safe out there.
Kaya dalhin mo lang sa official wash. Ha? April 15, flying kiss. Grabe kayo. Ay, mag-try ako mag-live. Try ko mag-live. Sana may malaking sponsor magbigay para makapag-live, no? Sino kaya magbigay sa akin na invisible sponsor? Charot. Invisible followers na magbigay ng 5,000 star. Charing.
Cancer patient, Jordy Yates, is on his way right now. It's a good thing. Lifting up a sick kid who's having a really hard time. What could you possibly be doing with your day that would be more important than that?
Nice job boxing me in.
Thank you.
Where are you going?
Maybe on patrol.
No, you and I are going to be entertaining the Make a Dream Kid together. What else could you possibly do with your day that's more important?
Right? Yeah, I should have seen that coming.
Hey there. We are not going on patrol this morning. There's someone coming to the station that we stopped.
You got my mother to leave the house?
No, and you will not be the first person to ask her about this.
Nice.
Just correctly says she
Si Stella, kahit 5,000 star.
First time she's confronted with this on record. I know you already know this.
I do. So who are we talking to?
The mystery man, she says you ran into at the store. Edward Guzman.
That's correct. I've already have a list of questions.
Walang sampungin. Buang ka. Kaloka.
I think it's important that I...
Saan si Daniela?
Yes, as a fly in the wall.
Sabi oh, Telay homework reference. Sent nyo 70 star. Di wow. Saan ang star si Telay?
Okay, well, you're going to be hanging out with us today. So I come back to pick him up
Saka si Daniela. Wala na yung makulit. Tulog na siguro to. La, sige. Pag ikaw maarlo, kaloka ka din. Nantay ko tiyang ko. Nag-alboroto pa rin. Bago ako maligo. Kaloka na tiyan ay. Ayan o, sabi o. Tilay Humorok Reference sent you 70 stars. I don't know. Ay, wag ko nasa ng stars. Naloka yung ano. Anong aga ka dyan? Mag 10 o'clock na niyo kapaligoin. Kung hindi nga lang ako napagod sa laban, naligo na ako kanina pa. Kaso lang, naramdaman ko likod ko masakit. Huh! Type ko talaga to. Yung gel polish. Maganda na yung kuko ko eh. Naputo lang. Dahil kakalaba sa sunrox na babad.
Where are you and Mrs. Flores doing? I told the cops back there. We were speaking at 5. Oh, yeah. You ran into each other at the corner store. She was out getting milk. She was like, I highly recommend you take this up.
Nag-live ako sa page ko eh.
True. Lying once.
Bigla na lowbat ang phone.
Investigation is one thing. But to do it again. Okay, I can move on.
Oo. Try mo yan. Matagal eh.
Thank you so much. And I thought if I told the cops, she might lose solidity.
200 peso nga lang. Pero maganda siya. Matagal siya. Try mo. Baka mahaba kuko mo. Maganda. Dito humaba kuko ko. Yung hindi na ako nagpalinis. Yung naglaba ako ng laban ng ilang araw. Ayun. Naputo lahat. Kaya sabi ko kay Ate Frazy, pantay mo na lahat. Pati yan, oh. Maiksi na din, oh. Tulog na siguro si Daniela. Hindi naman na nag-ano. Ay. Grabe yung baby hair ko lumalabas, oh. Kaloka. Kaya gusto ko ipakulot buhok ko. Tingnan mo yan, ang pangit. Akala mo naagnas buhok ko. Paggupit na naman ako, buhok kong bilis humaba. 1 buwan pa lang. Sabi nga ng kapitbahay ko eh, pag marami kang nilabahan, hiramin mong washing machine namin, ilabas mo. Ayaw ko nga. May masira ko pa yan, kasalanan ko pa. Diyos ko, wala ko pera. Diba no? Pag tumubo, akala mo may kuto ka, pala buhok lang, Makati. Kaya kamot ako ng kamot, sabi ng asawa ko, anong meron? Kung baby hair, Makati. Kahapon nagbunot ako, ang daming puting buhok. Grabe, ganun lang kaliit oh. Parang buhok ng pusa. The kids is run away. Oops. Oh, ayun na. Barreto. Barrio Barreto. I-search mo Barrio Barreto sa map. Matuturo ka. Oo nga, magmotor kayo. Hindi, kaya mo ba ng motor mo? Makadaan, hindi ka makadaan ng Exitex, kundi galing Manila, San Fernando, mahaba yung takbo mo. Hindi kaya ng scooter mo, oy. Baka hindi ka nakabot ng gitna na na yung gulong mo. Maganda yung yung 250cc. Yun, kaya. Magmotor ka pa, magvan ka na. Yan, diretso yan, Exitex or NLEX. Yan, diretso dito yan. May dito, may Ayala. Harbor Points, SM. Ba yun? Ako di pwede sa expressway. Oo, hindi ka pwede. Hindi pwede scooter.
So, what do you have in mind?
You just need to get inside their investigation into you. It's gonna cost you a little bit of money and some players. It'll be worth it, Eleanor.
Big bike lang pwede. Or mag-van.
Okay. I'm interested. What's the first step?
You're gonna need to hit me.
Oh. Kaloka. Naka-stocking.
You were right. I'm in over my head. Elijah just made me beg for my life, and I'm gonna make him pay for it. I can't wait to tell him I could drink people who lost the kid.
We didn't lose him. We misplaced him.
No, Tim, he has cancer, and we lost him.
He's probably reading the snacks.
How can you be so calm? What if this was your kid?
You and I both know that 99% of the time the missing kid is playing hide and seek and asleep on the bed.
You know what? If we don't lose our kids, I'm gonna need you to take us home. Seriously.
Oh, our kids are no better than the whole stuff like this. And look, we're doing great so far.
Oh, thank God.
Hey, I found this kid wandering around and said he belongs to you. He's slippery.
So, what were you guys talking about?
He kept asking me what my childhood pet's name was.
Okay, hi.
Pets. Alright, well, let me know if you have any further questions.
Tagal lang asawa ko umuwi.
What do we do next?
Para makaligo na ako.
Let's work together, Warmax.
Okay. Well, do you like dogs? We have some cuties in the canine unit. Okay.
What kind of kid doesn't like dogs? Yeah, sit down.
How long?
To hear my nephews tell it, it's all about Pokemon and manga, like things on top of it, stuff like that. I don't know. Where are you going?
Oh, no, you're kidding. No.
This is ridiculous. You see, look, you're confusing me. No, sorry. Hey, I need your advice.
What's up?
I just started helping Sally to dig back into her sister's case.
That sounds dicey.
You have no idea. I just interviewed a guy who says that Selena's mother left the girls home alone while she went up to school drugs.
So her sister was kidnapped while her mom was getting high. Is Selena now?
No, Leia.
That opens up a whole new world of suspects. Drug dealers, other addicts.
Is everyone else?
I'll talk to Garrity. Have the file added to my caseload.
Okay, thank you very much. If you'll testify about what happened today, we've got Elijah on kidnapping and after that, some other charges.
I won't testify in open court. Even if he's convicted, I'll be killed from prison. So what good are you? I know about his plans. He's expanding. Creating new partnerships.
We know he teamed up with the girl. What else?
Yeah, that's old news at this point, but I can give you intel on things you don't know about. But it has to be intel you could have gotten some other way. I need to walk away with full immunity and Elijah believing that I'm still loyal. Otherwise, there's no deal.
What does the DA's office work about that? She says she has valuable intel. I'd like to see her prove it.
Elijah,
Hi, Sis Angel. Good evening din.
much of it. Millions in cash that he's been stockpiling. He's looking for where he wanted.
Musta?
He's meeting with the money launderer this afternoon. I know where and when. If this is a trap, you are done. You're going to prison for a very long time.
Oo.
Intel is good. Give us a minute. Let me discuss this with you.
Look, I need to know this won't get back to Elijah.
Your cooperation will be strictly guarded. What do you think?
Dad, I think the Scorpion just asked us for a ride across the river.
You heard her offer?
Yeah.
You've known her the longest. You think she'll turn around Elijah?
Monica's only looking for herself. All I know for sure is he's scared. And when she's scared, she gets angry.
Well, we're gonna play this out. We're gonna leave this right there. No. That's great.
Do you think that he knows that was us kept rice?
Yes, sir. So, did you
Hindi po, hindi ako natulog.
it was on this afternoon?
Tapos ko lang linis ng bahay.
So I'll send Paul Harris and I'll phone you later.
Matutulog pa lang, hantay ko lang asawa ko.
Your eventual test.
I'm really not. Come on.
Okay lang din. Nag-iisip kung kailan ako mag-live. Para
You text Elijah.
He's texting.
gusto ko mag-live ba next week.
He'll get suspicious. What do you say? With the GA now?
Pag hindi na busy.
Am I lying?
Bakit parang hindi ka masyado active?
Take down Elijah?
Not far.
Oo.
Do you?
No. Maybe. If I've learned anything about you, it's that you're not a victim. If Elijah really did terrorize you this morning, I don't imagine you would roll over and take it.
Ay, ayun na. Parating na asawa ko. Paparating na.
I guess I do believe you.
Ha ha ha.
You're part of a very small group that knows she's cooperating, so if this gets out, we know who to look at.
I mean, Dad, but at least we'll know who to blame. It won't get out.
According to Monica, Elijah's been looking for new partners that will launder his extra money and has found one. Angel's check.
Kaya pala.
Elijah's done his due diligence.
Ako minsan busy din sa work.
He will be there.
Kaya minsan ko lang mahawakan cellphone.
He will be armed. So will his guys. How many guys?
Bawal po sa work.
They carry handguns and keep automatic weapons in a spare tire compartment. Alright, anyone makes a move for the SUV,
Magalit si Amo.
Plan with an overview of how today will go.
it also has everyone's numbers listed. Asterisks are next to those who will be present. Make sure you study it. Any questions? It's not Elijah, but I do have a meeting to get to if I'm gonna keep up appearances.
Okay, let's mobilize.
Good luck. Keep that phone close. We will be reaching out. You better hope this goes smoothly. I've learned better than to put my trust in the competency of the LAPD.
You're
Maybe
right.
you'll surprise me.
She don't trust you. Commercial. Ay. Ang aking alagang pusa tulog. Pag-uwi ni daddy niya, gigisingin niya, magagalit pa. Nugget. Last, the daddy come home soon. Already close. Nugget. Sarap ng tulog ng alaga ko, talaga, oh. Tapos maglaro dito sa sala. Yung tubigan niya, hinila ang rag, ayun, nawala ng laman ng tubig, nasa sahig. Napagod, tulog. Umihilik pa, kaloko. New season? Hirap maging housewife, no? Lahat ikaw. Laba, linis, labas basura, plancha. Di bali palabahin mo ako. Huwag lang maglinis. Sige, ingat. Salamat sa pag-hi. Sintoyo.
Sunday at 9:45 on AXN Sunday Movie Rush. AXN
Yeah, 1 hour na pala.